Okay, it's Monday, and I took a little short break from work to take this stuff back to Xfinity, but they hot ass. You try like a horse out of hell. You. So Xfinity got they stuff back. Okay, you guys, while we down here, that's my hair. While we down here in the laundry room, I need to show you guys. I'm gonna take this dryer and turn it. Hold on, let me flip the camera. Okay, I'm gonna take this dryer and I'm gonna turn it to here, and then my freezer or my refrigerator is going on the other side, but that's the hole there. My husband started it, but I'm gonna try to get somebody to finish so the dryer could hit over here, and then I could redo the laundry room. So this is how my laundry room is looking now, because I got new Samsung washer and dryer. So yeah, but I ain't new no more. I think these came last year, but we trying to get this dryer to turn this way so I can have room, because I don't have as much room as I would like. But yeah, that's what it's gonna be when I get it together. So while I was on hiatus, I took this window here out right here, and I put a new window up here, and then I caulked all around it. I caulked all the way around it and stuff like that. And yeah, I put up new blinds down here. One day when I was off work, I did that. So everything is new in here. It's like a new vibe. But still, I'm gonna put some strips on this wall. I got high. I had to turn it on that. I'm gonna put some strips on this wall and then put drywall on this wall. Yep. So that's what it's gonna be in here. Okay, I am snacking on a salmon that my daughter bought from Publix. It's blackened salmon, because that's how I like it. It got lobster and cheese in the middle of it. It's so good. It was $13. So this is my little girl dinner. So this is what I cooked for my dinner tonight. Just a piece of salmon. It would have been better if I would have had potatoes and asparagus. But I asked my daughter for this piece of salmon and she brought it. This is A1 right here. So good. So delicious. The crab cake filling and all. Chef kiss. So I blacken it with a little seasoned salt, black pepper, Old Bay, and some butter that my daughter found with. It got garlic. It got herbs and garlic in it. This part of here, but that's the plain one. This the one. The garlic and herbs. That's what I blacken it with. Chef kiss. The butter tastes like real butter. It's buttering. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all see that. Okay, hi YouTube. I am back. I told you guys that I was going to do a video every Sunday, but unfortunately last Sunday I failed and it just went. I couldn't do a video. I failed before Sunday. I think I failed on Wednesday or Thursday. Anyway, we had a big old rainstorm and the trees fell and blah, 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 and all that stuff. So when I was coming up the steps, my ass fell. I swear to God, the whole world shook. But it could have been that thunder had hit the same time I fell. But yeah, my tailbone and my back was hurting. I don't know how I skinned my knee, but my husband and the guy I work for, they kind of like healed me up. So the did not get made my video for Sunday. I ordered a Ninja thing, and if you guys don't know, when Sam has stuff, like if you got a Sam's Club card, when Sam has stuff, if Sam has stuff, it'd be cheaper than anything else. So I got me a Ninja, I think it was a Ninja oven, the like Dutch oven, the kind that you like, it's a slow cooker, but you could also use it as a Dutch oven. I'll show you guys that. I'm coming home from work. I'm finna get ready to take my daughter to work. So yeah, so this is gonna be y'all Sunday video. But yeah, like I told you, I messed myself up last week, so I wasn't gonna do nobody video, honey. I was gonna lay up there in that bed and do the bed. I hope you guys have been having a great and wonderful week, because you know that's what life about, having good things. Don't let nobody redirect your dreams or try to put you down or anything like that, because you know miserable people like to have company. My mama always told me misery love company. So you know, when people do stuff to you, just brush that shit off, because it ain't even worth it. I seen a TikToker talk about the workplace, and I agree with her. The workplace is like fucking high school. Like, it's like high school. It's like those people that didn't get the be popular in high school, they think they got higher ranking jobs than you, and they do whatever. But she had talked about that, and I was like, that's something to talk about. But yeah, yeah, that's life. The devil is busy, but God is on top of things. So don't never think because you see all these bad reports and this, that going on, that God ain't got your back. Pray and keep it moving. And that's all I can tell you. Be kind, be sweet, be nice to one another. And then, you know, God will always reward those that are rewardable. So it may look like Satan is rewarding your enemy, because they have to get paid too. Don't never think that they don't have to get paid. They have to get paid for the sins they put out. Satan have to pay them for their sins. But God rewards work better. You know, God rewards last longer. So when you see people and you know they ain't about shit and they getting you think they getting everything that they getting, you just have to know that, hey, Saints have to pay them also. They have to get paid for the sins that they put out. Okay? So just note that. But in saying all that, life is gonna life regardless. So yep. I was just telling y'all that. And I'm gonna show y'all my little ninja filter. And yeah, that's life, honey. What?
Alright, we got the scrumptious Wednesday dinner. Garlic and herb mashed potatoes, sauteed onions and green beans, and fried chicken. Looking delicious, mother.